Hi, my name is Julien Reboud in French. I'm a lecturer at the University of Glasgow in the School of Engineering in the division of Biomedical Engineering, and my current role in SensUs is as the primary supervisor for the team. So why did I get interested in SensUs? Well, the reason is that I had a collaboration with one of the founders of SensUs in Eindhoven, Menno Prins, together with Professor John Cooper, and he initiated this idea of a student competition in biosensing. And our interest in biosensing is quite significant. We've been doing that for a number of years, and we thought it was a fantastic idea to put students together from a lot of different years, a lot of different backgrounds, to work together towards a product or a prototype that would have application in healthcare and biosensing. And so the idea of having something multidisciplinary really fits very well with what we're trying to teach in the School of Engineering, but also in the university in a more general sense, where students have access to different disciplines and they're able to work across that. But having a competition for this just inspires them to do that extra more, to give them a feel for what it is to do this in real life and have some pressure in achieving this. And so I've been asked to say what my feelings towards winning could be. And I've been doing the competition last year as well. So this is the second year that Glasgow has entered the competition. It's the third year that the competition is running. And I can say that this year the chances are higher than last year. But I can also say that, as usual in competitions like this, the rest of the field often gets further as well. And so it is going to be a tough call, but I think we've got a very interesting project in the idea of using magnetics, right? So building a sensor around magnets. The idea is to sense the magnetic field that is imparted by beads as a label onto an amino acid, and to detect the antibiotic vancomycin, which is the purpose of every team in the project. But we take this magnetic approach as a unique flavor to the Glasgow team. And why is it unique? People have done a lot of magnetic sensing in the past, and it's something that works very well. But no one yet has integrated, or we, as far as we know, has integrated the use of magnets for sample processing with the use of magnets or magnetic beads for actual detection. And this is what the team has set out to do. And they've come up with very innovative way of integrating this together, as well as, I think, a very clever way of bringing out the idea of magnetic sensing into their project and prototype, because the actual prototype looks like an MRI machine. So it's a small MRI machine with a slot for a patient, in this case it's a patient sample of blood that is going to be sensed for vancomycin. So I think it's a pretty unique system, and so I'm very hopeful for the Creativity Award in particular. But I think that in the recent weeks they've been making tremendous progress in their analytical capabilities, and so they might actually stand good chance in the analytical prize. And finally, last year we were very, very close to being second in the public prize. And so I hope that you will all join me in voting for them when the time comes on Thursday and on Friday and Saturday in particular. But you can vote anytime on their performance, their ideas, and choose them as your preferred team so that they can come back with the Public Awards prize. Thank you very much.